Ever spotted an asterisk in Python code and wondered what it actually does? Let's dive into this snippet and uncover its hidden power together. Right here, we have a record, and it's stored as a standard tuple. Imagine you have just pulled this data straight from a database. It contains a user ID, their status, subscription type, and location. But what if you're only interested in those first two specific items? Specifically, the user ID and whether they are currently active. The remaining data isn't something you need to process just yet. So, how do you handle this efficiently without the clutter? In Python, Tuple Unpacking is an absolute game changer. Here, we set up variables to capture the user ID and the status, but notice that asterisk right there. That is the secret sauce. This syntax tells Python to gracefully unpack the remaining fields. It bundles everything else automatically for you. The asterisk captures the extra data and stores it in the rest variable. This is the heart of clean unpacking syntax in Python. Here is our original record. We are unpacking it into these specific fields. The first two map directly, while everything else is bundled into one. Values like premium and EU are now mapped into that rest list. Running the code, we can instantly print the user ID and their status. It works perfectly, but look at what happened to the remaining data. The rest variable is now a list. Python grabs those items and puts them in a list for later use, allowing you to focus on the essentials first. You get exactly what you need right when you need it. And the best part, even that rest list can be unpacked even further. We can create variables for subscription type and location and extract them directly from that list. Now, when we run the code, we have premium and EU ready. These variables now hold the exact clean information we want. This powerful trick isn't just for tuples, it works perfectly for lists too. In fact, our original data didn't even need to be a tuple. You can swap it for a list and the logic remains identical. Notice how the asterisk syntax still stores those extra elements straight into the rest variable without missing a beat. You are then free to unpack that data whenever you're ready. The biggest takeaway: master this unpacking syntax. It is compatible with almost every collection in Python. We have used it here for both lists and tuples successfully. Just remember, any leftover data is returned as a flexible list, ready for you to unpack and utilize later in your code.